It says that on package we need to assign the specific permission to users. So if you click on packages, configure, you don't see any specific permission to assign to users because we need to install some plugins. So for that, manage Jenkins, manage plugins, click on available plugins, and type matrix. Okay, check this one, matrix authorization strategy. Then check this box. Once you install that plugin, then go to manage Jenkins again, then click on configure global security. Because we install that plugin, we need to enable it. Under authorization section, we choose project based on matrix authorization strategy. If you don't choose any permissions over here for users, let's see what's going to happen. Click on save. Then jump into dashboard, packages, and configure. To finish these Jenkins jobs, so we need to have patience because this server works slowly. Okay, we just click on enable project security. If you don't install the plugin, you won't see this option. We install the plugin and we enable it. That's what we can see here. Click on here, and it says inherit permissions from parent ACL. So if you don't give any permissions under this global security for its users, even if you apply permissions here, they are not going to work. Let's see in action. So if I add users Sam, then I'm going to give to Sam read permissions. If I apply and save, and then if I log out, then let's log in as a Sam user. Even I applied permission for that user, but still I don't see any permissions here because we need to give permissions. Let me say, we need to give permissions under global security as well. Whenever you're going to give permissions over here, these permissions are gonna inherit to those jobs, and then if you modify permissions for the job, they're gonna work. So if I give permissions under configure global security for SAM user, I'm gonna give overall read permissions. Okay, I'm not gonna give full permissions, just read permissions over here. Oops, refresh. SAM overall read permissions, apply. On packages, I gave only read permissions for that user. That looks fine. So log out, then log into the SAM. Now I got only read permissions. I don't see any build and other options because I didn't give any permissions on this job. If I log out again, log in as admin, and let's give some user build, configure, and read. Okay. Under the package job, under inherit permissions from parent ACL, then I'm going to give build and configure and read. Okay, build, configure, and read. Apply. If I log out, then log in as some user now. Packages. Now I can see build and configure jobs as well. Then let's assign permission for some user as Rohan user as well. Click on packages, configure, add some Rohan user, and assign permission to Rohan. Build, cancel, configure, read, update, tag. Okay, let's tag, build, configure, read, and cancel. 5 permissions. Okay, build, cancel, configure, read, update, and tag. Okay, we need to assign update as well. Update. Okay, those are 6 permissions. Click on save, log out. Let's log in as a Rohan user now. Rohan. You don't say because as I said, we need to assign permissions globally as well. So let's log in as the admin user, manage Jenkins. I'm sorry, actually, it seems we don't need to give overall read permissions because they're going to get read permission for all jobs. Instead, what we can do, we can click on job and read. Let's see, I want to check this. Job and read. Save. Log out. Log in as Rohan now. Rohan at the right. Pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's not gonna work. So give him just overall read permissions. So not admin, overall read. Just remove these. Log out again. Don't get confused. Click on. Just look for Rohan. Now this user can see the job and they can build, they can configure. So I got all the permissions. So let's check the task list now. Be done. Thank you so much for watching.